Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Ray back with another video. Today we got like just a little vlog style video. We are about to just head out. I gotta move into my apartment here in a couple days, like tomorrow. Actually, I can start moving in. I can start moving in tomorrow. I'll get the keys tomorrow. If tomorrow's the 27th, if I remember correctly, what day it is and whatnot. But I should be able to move in tomorrow. Into my apartment. So we're gonna go out. I heard that you can get free move-in boxes, so that's what this vlog is gonna be about, to see if we can actually go out and get free move-in boxes out from these grocery stores, stuff like that, because they said that it can happen. Everybody said that you can do it. Not everybody, but I looked up on TikTok, they said that you can go to these stores and get free move-in boxes, and yeah. So we're gonna go out, see what we can do. I'm gonna put a hat on because I'm looking kind of chopped right now. Looking kind of chopped right now, so I'm gonna throw a hat on before we go out, and then we're gonna go out and see if we can get some free move-in boxes. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we get to the store. All right, y'all, so just got to the first store we're gonna try, and that is going to be At Home. Now, the thought process behind this is that at the At Home store is furniture store, a store that has big bulky items, things that, you know, things that require big, large boxes. So what my thought process is that they will probably most likely have, they'll hopefully have box enough, big enough for me to put like clothes and everything that I want to put in them in. So that's the thought process behind it. We're gonna go in here and see if we can't make it happen, guys. Now, they said the best way to go about it is just to find the coolest employee that you think would let you get the boxes. You know, don't go to Karen that works at the store. You know, probably not gonna let you get the boxes. So, yeah. I see some boxes up at the front right now, but they look like they might be ripped pretty severely. So I'm gonna just walk around until I find someone who I think would, you know, be cool enough to let me get some boxes. Never actually been in the At Home store. Actually, I have been in the At Home store, but I don't go in here often. No need to. Hey, hey.
Hey, now, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
Good. Where on earth is... They got no employees in this motherfucker. I'm all in the back of the store. You see another employee. And this all be up at the front. Ready to go. Ready to get off early today. Today is Memorial Day, y'all, so you know, it might be kind of hard to find people, but we gonna do our best to try and find some people. See, they got the employees only section back here. Let's go. Come on, got stuff on it. Oh, still have not found nobody that work here yet. I'm gonna walk down this way just so I can see their couches, just in case, you know. Ooh, I like that TV stand, I'm not gonna lie. $279, that's not bad. Actually like this couch a lot, $399. I don't like that couch a lot. The cushion's not that soft, but oh well, I like this couch too. A couple couches in here I like, ain't gonna cut. I have to come back here for couches. A whole bunch of stuff here. It's alright. Rugs is kind of tough too. Yeah, I might have to come back here. I'm gonna just go to the front. You know, I ain't found nobody yet, and I don't wanna make this video too long, but you know, it's kind of hard to find people at their home store. They don't work here. We got some good stuff here, man. Okay, well, I'll definitely be back. trying to find a guy. The guys be cool about a lot of stuff. Sometimes white ladies and whatnot, they see a black dude, they'll be cool about it. And I don't know if these people look like somebody that's gonna say yes. I gotta find somebody else. Gotta find somebody else. I just need cardboard boxes. Just
Sorry?
Empty cardboard boxes.
Everything we have has already been crushed in our baler.
Oh, has it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So usually Thursday afternoons are the best because that's our truck day.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Alright, so they don't have any guys. We're gonna go down to AutoZone and see if they get their freights in cardboard boxes and see if they have any. So next door. Hold on. Okay, so AutoZone might be closed actually. Alright, y'all, so AutoZone might be closed. I was gonna try AutoZone, but they might be closed, so we're gonna try Harbor Freight too. I'm not gonna lie to you, Wawa scared the life out of me. They scare me more than big dogs. Terrorist. People just be looking at you when you got a camera with you. That's the only reason I don't like vlogging. People just be staring. Let's see if we can get an employee out this mode. Hey,
Hi.
I'm wondering if I can take some of your cardboard boxes.
The back
Back,
dumpster back there with the yellow top.
Yellow
With
top.
all the cardboard boxes in it.
thanks.
Yep.
Is it inside or
No,
I gotta go out and it's and it's on the back side?
Yep.
All right. They're gonna make me go dumpster diving, but they said it's just cardboard boxes in there, so we're gonna go back there and see if it's dirty and just a whole bunch of BS. Then we'll just look somewhere else. Oh. Side note, pick tools. Always needed. I was looking for a specific set though. I saw them in here one time and I have not seen them since. I have not seen them since, so I don't know. Oh, sorry. Yep. So they said drive around to the backside, yellow bin, we might see some. So let's do it. Let's try it out. Let's see if we get lucky. All right, y'all. So I'm about to pull up on the yellow bins back here and see if we can't get us some cardboard boxes and see what they got to offer. See if they got some good ones. It does look like it's just cardboard boxes too, so it does look like it's pretty clean. Oh yeah, amazingly clean. Amazingly clean. Still in great condition. Look like they might have just been thrown out today, maybe, if that, a few hours ago. Yeah, we're just gonna try and take some good ones that we see. Set y'all up right here. Hold on. All right, y'all, so I just finished the dumpster dive, I guess you could call it, for these, but again, these are all immaculately clean, y'all. Like, all these are clean. Like, this whole entire dumpster itself is just clean. It's all rust. Like, everything else is clean. Like, these are literally spotless. Like, brand new boxes for the most part. You know, they probably literally just dumped those today or yesterday. So, probably yesterday, because today is whatever day it is. But yeah, as long as you get them on a good day when it didn't rain recently or anything like that, or when they recently threw them away, y'all, shoot, it's free boxes. They just said come grab them out of recycle bin. You know, they literally don't throw nothing else in there but cardboard boxes. So they was all clean and everything like that. That's really the most part, because I got clothes and stuff going in here, but they was all clean, so that's all you really got to worry about. So yeah, about to go home, pack up, and yeah. So I guess that's the video right there, y'all. That's how you get free boxes for moving and packing and stuff like that. You don't got to go pay U-Haul for boxes. You don't got to go do all that. Now if your pride just too big to where you don't want to go and do what I just did, by all means, go ahead and go buy you something. But you know what I'm saying, hey, they're clean boxes. The boxes that you buy and the boxes I just got are literally the same, whether you want to believe that or not. You know, truth is truth. You know, so y'all acting like y'all can't. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to do it because you all feel like, oh, you're still dirty, yada yada yada, wash your hands, wash your clothes again. Like, act like soap ain't real. Like ain't such thing as called bleach. Come on now. But yeah, y'all, that's how y'all get free boxes. Like this video, share with your friends, share with your auntie, because your auntie, she gonna go get her for some free boxes. She don't care. She ain't like you. She ain't finna just sit there and be like, oh yeah, no, I ain't finna go in there and get no boxes out of there. You know, unless she is like that, you know, unless you got like a little bougie auntie. But you know, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. I'll see y'all later. God bless y'all.